welcome to my channel. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Open your eyes. What is it? Oh, you okay? Look it's got all of those
It's the
things
hair goals.
inside. I don't know. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Those are furry babies.
The fuzzy pets. What? Have you had those before?
And this one here. So how do we do this next? You have to zip again? Oh my goodness.
Yep, you have to forget.
Oh my goodness
Then you
gracious.
have to get water and drop it in and get
You have to
the
have water and
cute-
drop it in?
Yeah, and just get the cute.
Really?
Little cute tips.
Okay, Nana doesn't.
She knows a lot of things.
Yeah, even
I see.
She's very smart.
Are you my smarty pants?
I saw the hat on YouTube.
Oh.
I saw the hat on YouTube.
Oh, you saw it on YouTube?
Yeah, he covered the little saba.
Oh my goodness, that's so cute.
Fuzzy pet?
Oh, how
It is? Let's see. What color is it? There's his
Oh
bottle.
no, another bottle. Here's another.
Look at, there's the baby's bottle, bub. Is.
Let me get my this off.
What is it, a necklace?
Then let me get
Or like little sunglasses?
I don't know, but I don't know.
Okay.
I just have to dip it in warm water, then come off. Is that to come off?
Are you brushing it?
No, silly. It coming off when I brush.
Hi, baby. Excuse me.
They have it.
This is how it works.
Let me just get this out.
You have to pop the top, buddy.
Oh no, look at her. She's so cute. Where is she?
What is that?
She's inside?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love the blonde hair. Here you go. Here's one.
Wait, I have to get this something.
Oh, excuse me.
Yes.
Oh, do you love them? Tell Auntie Kathy.
Here's one, like the oops baby.
Oh, here you
Oops,
go,
I did
baby.
it again. Oops baby. Okay. Hey, it's beads.
I can't get the whole bit.
Let's see.
Let me have.
So close. Oh my goodness. You should just leave that door open. All right.
Oh,
Cherry,
hi. I have something baby coming.
you do? Ooh, let's wait. Here, come on. Let's just go ahead and sit down.
Go here, Bobby.
Is that our new thing?
Let me get
Oh, Cherry.
either.
Oh my goodness, it's so big. Let's open it. All right, let's open our package. Ugh. Okay.
That might be mine.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
First, we got Cheer Captain.
She comes in. I need that she comes in.
All right, let's go ahead and put in her passy.
Go ahead, go buy it, Bubby. Go ahead.
She is ready to go. Sissy, where are you?
Wait here.
Oh my goodness. Hi, Cheer Captain. Oh, hi, little Sissy. Mwah. Oh, I missed you so much. Where have you been?
Like you be gone.
I know. I had to go on a trip. But, wait, who else did you bring? Well, let's see. A little gold cowboy or girl hat. We got some really cute blue and gold glasses, and they match my nails. Oh, it's Lil Lux. Oh, she is cute.
You want me?
Yeah, everybody wants to see you. Oh my goodness, you're adorable.
You want to see my little hat?
I do. Oh my goodness.
You want to see with the army?
Yes. Aww, is that for your big sister?
I think it's so deep like a bit.
Yeah, it is certainly very big. But I thought you came with like some sunglasses or something.
Yes, I did.
You did? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. Can I try it on? Yay! Little Lux.
Hi!
Hi, what are you doing?
That's a doggy.
Oh yeah. Oh, isn't our trip just so fun?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
You want to see my go hat?
Sure.
Guitar?
Oh, it's so cute. Isn't it cute, everybody? Oh my goodness.
Bigger.
Hi. Oh my goodness, I just missed you. Mwah. Next time I go to Paris for a cheer competition, you have to come with me.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, you got to hold it.
Well, it's okay. It's hot in here anyway.
Well, I go quick.
Okay. I think that I brought something else. Where's Beads? Beads! Sorry. I was just trying on these really cute glasses. Look at Lil Lux.
Oh,
Isn't it cute?
I might need
Woohoo!
a bit to sit down.
Alright, well,
Oh,
so what's up? Oh, I was just saying to Lil Lux that I think I brought somebody else. Really? Yeah, why don't we all sit down and we'll see if the package comes. Alright.
we got another paper.
Alright, send it in.
We go.
thank you. Let's start with this one.
You the sea captain. I think
Okay.
you made this.
So,
Yes, I think.
they're red, yellow, and blue at the bottom,
I
and
thought.
white.
Pause.
Oh, peace and love. Ooh, it looks just like the shoes. Yellow, white straw, blue carton, and red and black. Super cute. We also got a white dinky. And one more.
It might be my
Well,
sissy.
There should be one. Oh, there we go.
Mine.
Oh, and this cute outfit that matches the shoes and the bottle.
It might be my sissy.
It's a two-piece.
I want to open that one.
Okay, we already see the eyes. All right, take off the bottom part first. Do you need help?
I think I'm.
All right, so show us the body. All right, let's take off the top to reveal who it is. We have big shapes. Oh my gaga. Sissy, hi. Oh, wait, Sissy, you're naked.
I know.
We gotta put on clothes.
I know.
All right, well, I'll be back when you put on clothes.
Ow. See. I don't do.
Sissy,
You comb my haircut.
little sissy.
Oh, my teeth. You comb my hair, please.
All right, you're all done.
Thank you.
Oh, you look so cute. I just
Let
missed
go your
you.
hair.
Okay,
I want to comb mine.
just do it with one hand, okay? Yep. Hold on. Oh, it's so beautiful. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But how come I wasn't the only person who came? I saw another package. Here, let me go get it.
Alright. Daddy, you got another packet? No, I actually do this. Yay! Yes, you should eat it. Alright.
Little sissy, come help me. Oh, all right.
I want
Hey, can you please open this? Why, sure. Alrighty, here is my finished look. Super cute. You're in my capsule. Oh my goodness, you are so weird.
I know, guys. Love the castles.
I can't really hear you. All I hear is a. It's so muffled in there. You might want to get out.
Here.
Without the sleeping mask, you can get really hurt. Good thing.
You go.
Oh, she's so cute, isn't she?
Yeah, but I rather her hat.
Oh yeah, you are wearing her hat. That's funny.
Go. Okay, I say that. Cool.
Well, I'm really tired. I'm gonna go take a nap. Alright, bye.
Ooh, I just so happy.
Hey guys, come on over. Alright.
Hey, come on over.
Oh my goodness.
I really want to get this. I think
I'm coming in.
I want to see him.
I don't really think that I want to go in the water right now.
Why?
Because I don't want to get wet. I can't get my hair wet. So I'll just stay right here.
Alright. Jump. This summer. Guess what I can do?
What can you do?
Yeah.
Big cheer captain, you want to see our new arrivals?
I feel not I don't feel down.
Well, let's see. Let's
Alright.
call them. Girls, come on. Hi, everybody. It's Sugar, duh, and Spice.
Right. I know you are.
Oh, hi, guys.
Are you want to come in now?
No, I don't think so. But
But it's
I will go get some ice to see if everybody color changes.
Thank you.
All right, hold on. Here you go, guys.
Wow.
And I found Go-Go Bird too.